I'm Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. It's very common for men who are building their bodies to use anabolic steroids. But does it have an effect on fertility, especially on semen quality and sperms inside the semen? We are going to try to understand today. Anabolic androgenic steroids, or AAS, are synthetic forms of testosterone. They are sometimes prescribed medically but often misused by athletes and bodybuilders to boost muscle and strength. So what's the catch? While these steroids increase muscle size, they decrease sperm production and quality dramatically. How do they affect sperm? The hormonal chain reaction is in action here. So sperm production is regulated by hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. This hypothalamus releases GnRH, which stimulates the pituitary gland to produce LH and FSH. This LH triggers the testes to produce testosterone, and FSH is crucial for sperm production in the seminiferous tubules. So this is the axis. When you take anabolic steroids, you flood your body with external testosterone and your brain thinks, oh, we've got enough. So the hypothalamus stops producing GnRH, the pituitary stops producing LH and FSH, and the result is that no natural testosterone production occurs in the testis. So if there is no natural testosterone, there is no stimulation of sperm production, and ultimately azoospermia is what results, where there are no sperms in ejaculate. So what is the evidence? There was a landmark review in 2016 in Fertility and Sterility, which showed in the journal Fertility and Sterility, which showed up to 90% men who use anabolic steroids experience severe suppression of sperm production. Some even develop testicular atrophy, literally shrinking of testicles. Another study published in Clinical Endocrinology reported that just 3 months of steroid use can reduce sperm count to nearly undetectable levels. The longer and the higher the dose, the more damage the effect. So what is even more worrying is that in some cases fertility may not fully return after stopping steroids, especially if used long term or you have started at a very young age. Can it be reversed? Yes, but it's not instant. Recovery may take 6 to 12 months, and sometimes medications like HCG, FSH or clomiphene citrate are needed to stimulate sperm production. A 2021 review in Andrology concluded that although most users recover sperm function, about 10 to 20% may remain infertile without assisted reproduction techniques. If you wish to understand more about this, you have used anabolic steroids and have a compromised semen quality report, please feel free to contact us for treatment. Thank you.